In this video, we will introduce the process to develop your own custom indicator with Naked Markets software. It is a straightforward and easy process to code with the API thanks to the C# programming language. The first step is to download and install Visual Studio Community Edition 2022. This development environment is free and well supported by the community. By going on the Microsoft website, you can download and install it. During the installation, select the .NET Desktop Development module and launch the install process. Once installed, you can run it without loading any project in order to access the extensions menu. From there, you can download and install the Naked Markets extension to make the development easier. Once Visual Studio is restarted, the extension is installed. You can create a new project. This time, a new project template will be available to design your own Naked Markets indicator. You can select it and create a new project. You can name the project by your indicator name. In this example, we will develop the RSI indicator. The source code will be copied from our GitHub, where the code of all default indicators included in Naked Markets are available. After having created the project, we can change the source code of the custom indicator.cs file. All the documentation about the functions delivered by the API is reachable on the wiki. Here, we modify the name of the indicator within Naked Markets since it is a duplicate of the RSI one. When the code is ready, you can compile it by using the build menu or pressing F6. Then, a DLL file will be generated in the output directory. This is your indicator file. Your indicator DLL file can be added in the indicators folder of your Naked Markets installation path. Finally, you can launch Naked Markets to use your own custom indicator. This concludes this tutorial. As a reminder, all the source code of default indicators included in Naked Markets are available on our GitHub. Thanks for watching.